What's going on, everybody, and welcome back to another video. Today we have a pretty rare Gemini Jets exclusive unboxing, as you can see right in front of us. If you guys do enjoy, please drop a like and subscribe to the channel if you are new and love aviation content. But without further ado, let's get straight into the unboxing. I am going to not show myself opening the box because it's pretty packaged, so I'll get back to you guys once it's open.
One eternity later.
There we go. Let's see what model we have for you guys today. Okay. This did come from the airplane shop as a Gemini Jets exclusive. I would say it's pretty rare, but it did just come out. Here we have the Gemini Jets Southwest 737-700 Louisiana 1. Let's get straight into the unboxing of the aircraft. Here is your typical Gemini Jets box with the logo, computer generated aircraft, and Southwest Airlines. And then right here it says the airplane shop exclusive. And it's the same on this side and then this side. Alright, let's get straight into the actual unboxing here. Just pull it out, and there is the aircraft. As you can see, you have your typical Gemini Jets plastic covering. You just have to, pop this right off, and then it comes in your plastic sheet, and then here is the aircraft. I have heard some very bad things about this aircraft, but also some very good ones, so I'll be going over my opinions on the aircraft. Here is one side view of the aircraft. Then here is the front. As you can see, there is a little bit of a malfunction on the frontward landing gear, but it does look still pretty good. Here is the other side of the aircraft, and then the back side with the APU. Starting off at the front half of the aircraft, we have the nose cone, as well as the cockpit windows. Then right there it says Louisiana 1 with a, I think it's a seagull, I could be wrong. Then we have the L1 door, as well as the heart logo. Then we have the landing gear and the landing gear flaps down here. Then you have your big, once again, I think it's called a seagull, I could be wrong. I'll just say bird for purposes of this video. Across the front half of the aircraft. And then you have a antenna up here, as well as a beacon light. Then we have three different types of seagulls, or birds, on the engine right here. And then you have your back of the engine down there. And if we scoot a little more, we have the engine right there, and then the landing gear. I might be able to give you a better view of the landing gear. Let me get it in focus. There we go. Then we have the overwing exit. If we go a little further, we have Union, Justice, Confidence, as well as the Wi-Fi box and the American flag. And the registration, which is in 646WN, I think is what that is. Then the back door right here. I'm going to try to show the winglets. Let me try to focus. There we go. There are your winglets in your typical all gray color. That's what Southwest does on their special liveries. Then we focus on the engine here. You can see your three seagulls or birds right there. Then the overwing exit, let me focus on that with the walk on the wing type of thing. And then we have the back part of the aircraft with the Southwest tail. Actually, let me move up the camera just a little bit. There we go. We have your special livery Southwest tail with the American flag and the horizontal stabilizers. That is it for this part of the aircraft. Here is the belly of the aircraft. You can see the crooked landing gear right there. You do have a sort of yellow, intricately designed engine. Let me try to focus on that. And then you have 3 holes right here. This one is for the Gemini jet stand, and these 2 are for the landing gear to go into. Then you have the belly of the bird. Once again, could be a seagull, not entirely sure. Then you just have a blue section on the back of the aircraft with the horizontal stabilizers on each side. And you actually do have a bit of wing detail, not as much as I hoped, but you have your flaps right here and your, oh, I forget what they call these, but yeah, you know what I'm talking about. So yeah, that is for the bottom of the aircraft. Nothing special for the top of the aircraft, but you can see your cockpit windows right there, and then your overwing exits, and the back of the aircraft back here, where it says the, what does it say? Union Justice Confidence or something like that. And then your Wi-Fi box and antenna right there. I would like to thank you guys so much for watching this unboxing. If you guys did enjoy, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to the channel if you are new. I do have a little bit of news. Once again, I did mention in the last video that I am still working on Denver, as well as planning to get some trip reports out for Hawaii in March. That's about all the news I have for you right now, but I will give you some more Denver updates as they come. So thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys did enjoy, and I will hopefully see you in the next video. Have a good day/night, and goodbye.